I'm meteorologist Stacy Donaldson. What a gorgeous day here across Colorado, especially up at Loveland Ski Area. We saw hundreds and hundreds of people up there today taking advantage of the blue skies and that fresh powder we just recently received. Pikes Peak looking beautiful across the valley here. Gorgeous view there, and at Civic Center Park as well here in downtown Denver with partly cloudy skies. It'll remain partly cloudy in through the rest of the night. Then we're going to warm things up into the 50s, even the 60s over the coming days. It'll be a nice mild one tomorrow with highs in the 50s. And then snow is possible into next week. 38 degrees outside right now. Our winds out of the north at 6 miles an hour. So it's keeping it on the cool side here for the Denver area. Those northerly winds blowing down across our region. 41 for Arvada, 42 for Lakewood already, 35 in Castle Rock, and 34 for Parker at this point. Winds have been really gusty up in the foothills in the mountains. That's going to be the case again tomorrow, making the wind chill factor a real player as you're out snowboarding and skiing tomorrow afternoon. So even though the temperatures will be in the 20s and 30s, it'll feel like it's below zero at times. Here in Denver, though, we're going to have highs in the 50s tomorrow afternoon. We have a few high clouds just pushing across the area, and that's going to be no bother into this evening. Our overnight lows will be mostly in the teens and 20s here around the metro. We'll also have 17 for Greeley, 24 for Fort Collins, and we'll have a low of 21 here in Denver with partly cloudy skies. Our hour-by-hour forecast taking us down into the 20s for those overnight lows. Then tomorrow we'll be back in the upper 40s and low 50s during the day. But as you're getting up and getting going tomorrow morning, maybe taking an early hike, 31 degrees with partly cloudy skies. It'll be a really nice start to the day. And those highs will be in the low 50s here around Denver, upper 50s for southeastern Colorado, mostly 30s and 40s up through the high country. But I do think we'll see those teens to start out early on for skiing and boarding in the mountains. Temperatures will be getting up into the 40s and 50s tomorrow afternoon, but really statewide it'll be pretty quiet. A few flakes of snow possible in our northern mountains, but we don't have any watches, advisories, or warnings for snow up that way. At Loveland Ski Area, first chair, it'll be 15 degrees, windy and cold. That wind chill factor about 5 below is what it'll feel like. Last chair, 25 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and the wind chill still 8 below. So really bundle up as that wind's going to be howling throughout the mountains tomorrow during the day. Tomorrow, 52 degrees for a high. We'll have 58 on Monday, and look at that, 65, windy and warm on Tuesday. Then we have those chances for snow showing up into the end of the week. 45 on Wednesday, 35 on Thursday with a few flurries possible, and then 40s and 50s return into the rest of the week and the weekend.